inclusive school, कुछ बच्चों का अगर they have some kind of mental disability, some intellectual disability they have, they come to this particular school, to the Mumbai, and there already have seen that ki the students are there, they are not only just focusing on their school knowledge or the textbook culture, they are more beyond of that. अगर सोचो कोई बच्चों का डिसेबिलिटी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है ब्रेन में, हाथ ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है, पैर ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है, उनके टीचर उनको समझा रहे हैं चलो आज बाहर जाके कुछ घूम के आते हैं, कुछ प्लांट्स के साथ बात करके आते हैं, चलो कुछ खाना वगैरह देख के आते, कैफेटेरिया में क्या क्या चीज है, कुछ चलो इंटरैक्टिव सेशन में हम लोग को क्वेश्चन करो तुम जो क्या क्या हो रहा है, तुमको क्या और पढ़ना है, क्या और जानना है। अगर डिसेबिलिटी स्कूल में ऐसा वाला अगर करेंटली नोशन आ गया है, जस्ट फील अबाउट योर सेल्फ कि व्हेन यू विल बी गोइंग फॉर पर्टिकुलर स्कूल, नॉर्मल स्कूल में अगर पर्टिकुलर स्कूल में जाओगे तो व्हाट ऑल द थिंग्स दे वांट फ्रॉम यू, so you have to change some kind of teaching strategies. For that you have to start from this particular inquiry based methods. I don't know whether you know of this particular term. Some terms are there: inquiry based, knowledge based, so discussion based methods. So this kind of methods you can go through. You can easily get all this in your YouTube, in YouTube, different types of videos. You can go through any type of Instagram stories, anything. You can easily get it understandable that all these things are very very crucial nowadays. And currently if I going to sit in Hyderabad, I am going to teach my students. First question I ask in my students, try to build up a rapport for 1 to 2 minutes first before going to start any class. I just generally ask to them ki what is your planning for today, what you ate in the breakfast, are you enjoying the breakfast or not, do you have any fight with your parents in the home. Sometimes the students are very frustrated, sometimes they come to the school after going to finish their swimming classes, sometimes the cricket classes, and they are very tired, sometimes they are very panic, sometimes I want to finish today's class and I want to go back to home today. So basically all these are very important before going to start any kind of topic to different type of students, different type of, because students are coming from different cultures, different social backgrounds they have, different types of family structures they have. Some of them come from the nuclear background, some of them come from the particular the joint family, so their problem should be different from different individual to individual, that will be different. So you have to first start with this topic, start with the subject or start with the class with 1 to 2 minutes of interaction कि आज क्या हुआ, are you feeling fine or you don't want to feel, or you want to talk with me personally, you want to share with me something. If the class is safe, we are all okay, and all this big smile, you are really really you can able to see all the big smile, then you will start the topic, and trust me, it's really worked. So just is a quick response of this. After 1 year, when the management come to me and they ask me ki what are the all the difficulties you have, uh, mane is a god bless, I really feel blessed about it ki I don't have nothing, I don't have particularly saying anything ki मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, मेरा वो प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, बच्चे मेरे साथ कॉपरेट नहीं कर रहे. So that's a not big issue for me for that particular the whole year. Because the students and also the parents are also happy, because in international school you will get the parents are giving lots of money for the whole year, and they want only the success and the child faces, because they are all caring कि बच्चे कैसे हैं, बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं कि नहीं पढ़ रहे, आर यू सेटिस्फाइड विथ इट. पहले ये क्वेश्चन पेरेंट्स करेंगे, आर यू सेटिस्फाइंग विद इट. फिर आप बच्चों को फिर से पूछेंगे कि मैम, वट एवर मैम इज टेलिंग इन द क्लास, आर यू सेटिस्फाइड विद द मैम, वट इज शी और ही इज टेलिंग. देन वो वाला फीलिंग तुम्हें आएगा पर्टिकुलरली उसके बाद कि यू आर फील कनेक्टेड कि नहीं, मैं इस जगह के लिए ही हूँ, आई फील कनेक्टेड टू इट. ठीक है. So basically coming to the perspective of the knowledge reproduction, that teachers training. So during my teachers training period, I did two teachers training. First was the Aga Khan Academy, and the second one is my currently Keystone International School. I get two kind of teachers training, and the teacher training sometimes is different. It is more different. So in the Aga Khan, we are basically the inquiry based method. All the time teachers give us, a person is coming from the Kenya, and he going to introduce some different types of topic to individual group of students, and he going to tell about कि ये topic है तुम्हारा, now you have to go through the topic and whatever you want to give your insight and say it me within 20 minutes. So आगा खान में मेरा वैसा वाला टीचर ट्रेनिंग हुआ है. की स्टोन में दैट इज अ स्पेसिफिक वाला. You have to work on the individual work. ऐसे करना है, और इस टॉपिक में तुम्हारा क्या है, विद इन 2 minutes गिव मी द ऑल द पॉइंट्स. ठीक है. तो टीचर ट्रेनिंग विल गोइंग टू डिफर, बट वन थिंग ट्रस्ट मी, इट रियली हैपन कि डू एवरी टाइम, डू योर critical observation in everywhere. First few days when you are going for the internship in different school, and after graduating when you are going for a particular school for the working as a teacher professional there, just observe 2 to 3 months there, not only teachers but as well as the students, what they have to say with you, what are the all the things they want from you. Just make a clear idea of it and give you critical thought. ट्रस्ट मी, पहले पहले वो बोलेंगे नहीं, क्लासरूम से बाहर आप लेके उनको ग्राउंड में नहीं बिठा सकते. पहले पहले उन बोलेंगे यहाँ से जाके वहां पे नहीं बैठाना पड़ेगा, बच्चों को ऐसा करना नहीं है, बच्चे बहुत शोर कर रहे हैं आपके क्लास में. ये हो सकता है, मगर कुछ दिन के बाद वो नहीं बोलेंगे. They are not going to say. But in the international school, I say one in one sentence, यहाँ पे पहले से कोई restriction नहीं है. If you want to go out with the students, they will definitely give you permission. When your class means your freedom is there. And also it is more than important, before going to any type of particular topic, you should have the autonomy and originality of yourself. You should not be going to replicate what your teachers is going to say in the class, or what your parents, or what is anywhere from anyone is going to instruct you. You should have your own originality, and your autonomy should be there, because every student should have this particular freedom in the class. So for starting the freedom, it will start from you only. So freedom is very much important, and students will give you this particular notion कि you are perfect for this particular class. So teacher autonomy is very important. And the third point will be the understanding of socio political context. Somewhere मैंने देखा है कि जैसे मध्य प्रदेश का सिचुएशन है, हैदराबाद का सिचुएशन is way farther, way modern, that kind of, if we are going to compare with these two particular political reason, जियोग्राफिकल रीजन में बहुत उन लोग का सोच डिफरेंट होता है. इफ यू गो इनटू द हायर एजुकेशन इन डिफरेंट other in any type of outer world, any other out of the India, you can able to see there is some kind of difference, the situation is also happening. So first you have to understand the what are the different type of students are coming to your class from different socio political and cultural backgrounds. And the last thing is, you have to moving beyond from the rote memorization, and you have to keep your originality within yourself, because every child should have the room for their growth, and you only the person who is spending with them more than 8 hours in a day. So you have the all the power within yourself. Just ask your teacher if something is not happening, not suitably is done in your classroom. Just take some permission, take some idea from them, and do what you want to do in yourself. Because I, as a feeling, when I come from a very native place, from the West Bengal, and coming now, already studied in Mumbai and now in Hyderabad, I can do it. I definitely say you all have that particular thing in yourself. You have to just find it out, what वो आप कौन से सब्जेक्ट में, कौन सा टॉपिक में, कौन सा चैप्टर में, और कौन सा पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में आप अच्छे हो, वही आपको थोड़ा सा फाइंड इट आउट करना है। और वो ट्रस्ट मी बन जाएगा, टाइम लगेगा, बन जाएगा। एंड मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट, सो माइंड मैप मैंने ऐसे क्रिएट किया है। एंड फोर थिंग्स आई रियली वांट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग माय बीएड डेज, एंड also I feel it is also important for your BEd days also. So curriculum as a reflection of society. So history structure book, geography book, it's a very reflection of the society. जैसे मुंबई में इट्स दे हैव कि महाराजा जो ये है, उन लोग का जो लोकल लीडर्स है, दैट इज दे आर emphasizing it very much. But when you're comparing to the state boards, to the West Bengal, you can able to see Netaji, other Bhagat Singh, everyone is there. So history textbook, geography textbook, sometimes it's very controversial, sometimes also NCERT book are also for sometimes controversial or as well also. So you have to compare that also. And curriculum is the best, but you have to not to follow that curriculum as a rote memorization. ठीक है. Second one is reconstruction of the knowledge. What does this mean? You have to structure your own way of thinking, your own way of strategy. That is a inclusive based methods, knowledge based, what you should be going to introduce within your students. That is your power, that is your autonomy, that is your culture. So you can do the knowledge, you can be reconstructed, you can. And the critique of rote learning, don't encourage the students. उनको बोलो कि पहले समझो, उसके बाद उसको रटो. और ये टेबल्स रटने के काम है, ठीक है. वन 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 जा टू, वन टू जा टू, ऐसे करके ठीक है, टेबल्स आर फॉर द रोट मेमोराइजेशन.
ऑन कर देने
मगर
के आवाज क्लियर
उसके
कर
बाद
देते हैं।
एल्जेब्रिक फॉर्म में एक्स का अगर कुछ निकालना पड़े, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू
सेकंड
ऑफ
के
एक्स,
साइड से वॉल्यूम
उसको
करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं रटो. You have to do it. Give it so different types of practices. मगर यानी इंक्लूडिंग इन द हिस्ट्री ऑल्सो, ट्राई टू डू कि कुछ अलग करके कुछ उनको क्वेश्चन करो, जैसे उसका आंसर सेम ही ना हो, थोड़ा सा वो समझे, उसके बाद उसके आंसर दे. तो rote memorization, please don't do it. And in the international school particularly, they are
बाहर से
not
देता है।
going to give you this particular ऐसे वो लोग एग्री नहीं करेंगे, because they are very much to in the corporate sector. I want to say corporate sector, they are want to give something different. Every school is different, international school. And the IB's board is there. I will give you give you a brief idea about it later. And the education and social roles, you already have an idea of it. So the last thing is a different type of schools is there in total India, if you have an idea. So basically, the CBSE, the ICSE board, and the state boards, you all are familiar with it. The CBSE is the most the central board of this, and this is there have the NCERT, that is structured book. They, but the mostly इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे ऐसे बोर्ड्स है, जैसे है इंटरनेशनल बैकलेट्स, दैट इज आईबी बोर्ड. एंड आईबी बोर्ड इज बेसिकली इट इज दे regulating outside the India. Here we Indian, we are not going to regulate anything. That is all the structured thing they already have in their mind, and they will be going to give you the teacher training, proper teacher training they will give you. And they will give you some kind of certificate as well. And then you can go to the different type of schools where the either the Cambridge assessment is there, or either the IB is there. Our school, we have the Cambridge board, basically because 1 to 10 they have the Cambridge board, and after that they have the IBDP. DP means they have the 10 and 11 and 12. They is called as IBDP, where all the things are managed by the outside of the India. And Cambridge, you can some type of if they also have the structured curriculum, also have the structured textbook, but they have also have the flexibility that you can change your textbook by your choices. If it is going to be meet their standards, they will be cooperate with you, they will be able to taught you कि ना ये तुमको अगर ऐसे चाहिए, you can introduce this topic, you can introduce this particular chapter within your book. And last is NIOS, CISs. This is all as very not common, but mostly the common are currently the international schools are very commonly they're coming out, and they're actually they're 2012 में established हुआ था first IB board, then it's going farther actually. So basically Cambridge and IB, they give you a particular sense of idea जहाँ पे आप बहुत हद तक वहाँ पे कुछ करिकुलम का कुछ आप बेसिक चेंज कर सकते हो, मगर द ICSE स्टेट बोर्ड एंड CBSE, दे आर वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड दे विल नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू लेट यू नो कि जैसे एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते, जो है जैसा है वो ही करना पड़ेगा। जैसे कुछ जो ये पे है, जो आईसीआरटी एनसीईआरटी का जो ये है बोर्ड कमिटी मेंबर है, मीटिंग जो तो होता है वहां पे ही वो सारे स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं। आई यू ओनली टीचर्स, आई ओनली टीचर इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन अ सीबीएसई बोर्ड, आई ओनली हैव टू फॉलो। सो उसको चेंज कर से थोड़ा सा करना है, जस्ट ओनली इंट्रोड्यूस डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टीचिंग स्ट्रेटेजीज, बिकॉज इंटरनेशनल इट इज अ मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आईबी एंड द सीबीएसई। IB has the not structured wala curriculum, as well as your teaching strategy will going to change every time. You can change it every time. And for the CBSE, you only the teaching standard that you can be changed. The teaching process strategies you can change, but rest of the curriculum will be same, and you have to follow this, because after some time you the parents will going to question you some type of. But IB in the Cambridge, the parent, if the students are happy with it, parents will not going to call you and not going to tell you anything, or the management will not going to tell you anything, they will always support you. So I really wanted to say thank you for all your kind hearing what you all are for waiting for me actually, and wanted to share one thing, ki all you are particularly your B.Ed student, you have the role, you have the capability, I know you have the originality with it yourself. Just try to give your best when you are graduating from this particular school to particular school. Give your best to there. Thank you all. If anyone have any question, any kind of, you can definitely say. Thank you. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Anyone want to say anything, or you want any more insight about any particular topic or teaching strategies or anything, or any school?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Go on,
Yes, ma'am.
show
I
me.
have some query.
Yeah. Tell me.
First of all, good morning, all the teachers here. Uh, Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah. You're audible. You're audible.
Yeah. Ma'am, while working in private school, how we feel them about the management part, ma'am, how we feel them that we are the part of it, how management can trust on us that we are, matlab, they feel that we are as a new fresher, they are thinking that they are not working so hard in the class. How we feel them because we are giving our best. We are thinking that we are giving our best. But what are the key points which we should keep in mind while in class and while we are working there? That is
That's
the
a
question,
really
ma'am.
good question, and it is really true,
Hmm.
very true. How will
Yes.
management will going to trust us, because we are all the freshers?
Hmm.
Very good question.
Yes, ma'am.
So for the first to 1 to 2 months, you only have to spend time with the students only, because when you are I remember our actually in this IB board, it will start in the June. In the June itself, it will
Hmm.
start from the first or the second June. So first 1 or 2 weeks they didn't start any new topic. Okay, so they
Yes,
will
ma'am.
give only going to take some assessments from the students. They will only they will give you some time where you can build the rapport with the students. They will going to connect it
Hmm.
with you, then you will going to connect with the students. They will give you the particular 1 to 2 weeks time. But I know being a freshers is not very easy, but you have this
Hmm.
particular time, you can create, or you can ऐसे उसको सोचना है कि कैसे बच्चों के साथ मिलजुल के उसका कुछ बच्चों के साथ कनेक्ट कर सके। ऐसे कि बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट और अ क्लास, you can ask them, आज खाने में क्या खाया? Because in our school they provided food, ठीक है. For the
Mm.
breakfast and the lunch they provided us, sometimes the student doesn't like the food, sometimes they like the food very much. When it is coming to the pasta and coming to the choco pie or something, they're very excited. ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही स्टार्ट करो कि तुम्हें खाना कैसे लगा. Is everything is there fine in your home? Are you feeling today nervous? Are you feeling anxiety? Are you feeling very happy about it? Your class is already started. So start with this particular 2 to 3 out of the box question. Out of the box. Whether the class is end. They will, trust me, after 1 week they will all shout it and all will be coming back. Ma'am, मुझे ये बोलना है. Ma'am, I want to say this. Ma'am, I have to share something with you. Already बन जाएगा रैप. Okay, so and after
Slide 7.
2 to 3 months you will be, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, uh,
Okay, I think I already answered your question. So spend time with the students and just ask them some few questions that is not there in the chapter, not there. It is within the regular life. Just ask them, just talk to them. They will go into, and basically the primary, they have lots of saying of something. If they push somebody, they will going to call your name. Ma'am, he will push me, he will throw me, he will give me this, he will also in our student also, in our class also, some student, ma'am, he uses some bad words. Sometimes they will come and they will told me, ma'am, is a shut up is a bad word? Ma'am, he say me, chup karo, is this a bad word? They all kind of thing. They will come to you, they will tell you all these things, and it will definitely after 2 to 3 months it's rapu baba ban jayega. To chapter is easily uh, you can easily finish your initially finish your chapter very quickly.
yes,
I
ma'am.
hope I
And ma'am,
answered your
one
question. Yeah, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
ma'am. Yeah, yeah, you have answered very nicely. And ma'am, one more question that while I was teaching in the class, while I am teaching in the class, and I want the feedback. So any senior teacher, whether it is English Methodist teacher or SST, my subject is social studies. It's good to ask them, ma'am, what is my feedback from other teachers? It's good to
Huh.
ask with the other.
Yeah,
Hmm?
definitely. Because being a fresher, when also I am joining in a particular school, I only have 1 year of experience, and apart from that, I only have the experience that is either book writing, either have an internship. So properly, मैंने 1 साल का एक teaching ये किया है कोलकाता में. After that, this is a my basically after the BEd this is my first school. So यहाँ पे teaching is very crucial. Ask all of your points, and sometime in my training session some teachers also come and sit at the back. They also have give me some kind of insight about it. They also give me
Yes,
कि ma'am you have started this class very beautifully, but something is not going under your control, so you have to take the control of this class. After all, you
yes,
have to manage your own class by your own way, but you have to make sure the children are not shouting in the class. They come to you by
yes.
one by one. So all these
But
points they
ma'am, one
usually, huh? Yeah, yeah.
But ma'am, one lacking I one in the mid of the session, one thing I am lacking how to connect with the our teachers in that means it's very difficult with other teachers how we should connect as a fresher with the senior teachers. Some of the senior teachers, suppose for example, head teacher, male teachers that are very politely to us, but how we connect with the female teachers while we are in the staff room and that point, ma'am.
So it's sometime happening when I also working in the Atomic Energy Center school for my internship. Sometime the teacher also feel because I don't know, it's a general conception I'm telling here. So basically, seeing my face, everyone have an idea कि I'm very मैंने क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत पढ़ाकू लड़की हूँ मैं, बहुत सीरियस काइंड ऑफ लड़की हूँ मैं
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ाकू लड़की हूँ, एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शेयर एनीथिंग विथ एनीवन. ठीक है, मगर sometime
Yes,
it
ma'am.
if I going to say my experience, first when you're going to this particular school, just talk to them. If I'm not going to interested, first 2 to 3 days spend on them कि मैम क्या कर रहे हो, मैम I give can I take give me some suggestions, I really have a problem, like this छोटा छोटा करके you can
Mm.
start. After that, starting following is, this is also what for me, that I already that's just wanted to say you, share your tiffin. Sometimes it's
Yes,
really
ma'am.
worked, it's really worked.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes share your tiffin, sometimes ask you ki what's your favorite color, what's your favorite is today you are looking very beautiful. Trust me, it's worked.
Mm.
I don't know, but still it's really worked.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
really worked for me actually, because here also where
Mm.
I did my internship, the teachers already have experience more than of 25 years, and they are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
comfortable to talk with any of the interns, because intern will come for one
Mm.
year, after that they will not come. So they are not very
Yes, ma'am.
familiar, not very interested to build the rapport with the intern. But trust me, sometimes it's
Mm.
happened and it's worked with me. Sometimes I share only,
Yes.
I get some chocolates sometime, ma'am aapke liye, ma'am
Mm.
aapke liye, it's really worked. Sometime it's really worked.
Yes, ma'am.
And apart from that, you have to uh, talk with the female teachers, and that try to convince them कि मैम थोड़ा सा हेल्प कर दो, मैम कैसे करना है, मैम थोड़ा सा बताओ ना, आई एम द न्यू टीचर हियर, आई एम नॉट familiar, I really
Yes,
need
ma'am.
your help. This kind words, definitely I think it will work, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. That's all I wanted to say,
Oh,
because I don't have, I really worked on this particular sector, and really after 1 month it's really well for me, it's smooth for me for spending there for more than 11 months. So they are
yes, ma'am.
after graduating from the BEd med na, they're
Mm.
still connected with me in the Facebook or the WhatsApp. Still they are replying my messages, still
Yes,
they are congratulate me for anything. So it's there, it's happening, it's happening. I don't know
yes,
ki whether it worked for you or not, but it worked for me. That's
yes,
all
ma'am.
I can say. That's
Yes,
all I
ma'am.
can say. Thank you.
Mm.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Himanshu.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah, you're audible. You're audible.
Ma'am, I have a query. Ma'am, as you have told about the giving freedom to the students for the creative learning, along with ma'am rote learning, for giving the freedom to the students for that creative learning, what kind of strategies we can apply so that we can balance between innovative thinking and rote learning? And ma'am, one more thing, have you applied any strategies for the students so that they can uh, rote learning and
Okay, okay.
create
So this is also a very important topic or important point. So yeah, you already have one applied one topic, or one kind of is a strategic I already applied, and it really worked well. It really worked well. So basically, being a science students or science education students for the BEd MAd, there is a one subject is there, science education. So we have already taught in the Tata Institute. Before going to introduce any type of classes, give them any kind of idea of the ड्राइंग स्किल्स. हम लोगों ने देखा है, हम लोग के क्लास में, जैसे हम लोग के टीचर टीच में बोलते थे कि एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, ठीक है, वो पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पढ़ाने के बाद जस्ट गिव देम सम काइंड ऑफ पेपर फॉर द ड्राइंग. वो करके देखो कि सारे बच्चों का रूट मेमोराइज will be will be the same. There will be no difference, because they only have to read out from the textbook only. The rote memorization will be the same. But when they're drawing something, they have observed something, they have experienced something, they have understood something, and all the brain work is different from individual student to individual. So the copy and the drawing will not going to make the similar thing. They all will work it differently. ड्राइंग, कुछ का अगर पेड़ होगा, कुछ का माउंटेन होगा, कुछ का अगर माउंटेन होगा, कुछ का एक्स्ट्रा रिवर भी बनेगा. So the drawing will be a one thing that is really worked. is really worked, and it is a another one way, good way actually to connect with the students, because when you will be going to explain the drawing thing in front of the other students, they feel that ki ma'am is going to give us the identity, कि मेरा भी काम important है, giving me the importance. ओके, तो ऐसे करके you can definitely apply to it कि today we are also, you can start with the class today, whatever is coming to your mind, just draw it. I give you paper, I give you 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, draw something in your paper and show me. I will try to elaborate in front of your old class. कि whether it is the correct thing you are already draw, मैंने वो सही बोला क्या, कि तुमने जो draw किया है, कि कुछ other thing you wanted to say in front of your friends. Just ask them like this. Trust me, it will work. It will work. And some type of strategies I already start before going to start any type of topic. It already seen in the Aga Khan Academy, I have seen that before going to start they give some students the chart paper. They make some kind of chota chota group and they give the chart paper, and just teacher write it down a topic in the board, and just observe the topic, what all the question is coming to your mind, write it down on the chart paper. Give them the sketch pens, write down there just all the things, write down on the chart papers. Trust me, all the group will be going to create new kind of questions, new kind of question, and it will be some type of कि अब पूरा chapter ही खत्म हो जाएगा. If you're going to answer all these questions ना, the chapter itself is going to end. तब तुमको जाके ऐसे यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया कि आपने चैप्टर बुक खुला ही नहीं और खत्म हो गया पूरा पूरा फुल चैप्टर. आई रियली माने आई एम द एविडेंस ऑफ दिस. आई एम रियली एविडेंस ऑफ दिस. Aga Khan is doing that thing to the students. So some kind of strategies, start with the questioning, start with the preconceived notion, or give them the idea कि just observe this class and observe this particular topic, whatever is coming to your mind, draw on the paper. Whether is not good, whether is two lines is there, nothing is that. Then the student will also going to take you as a कि ये give me importance, ये तो मेरा सोच रहा है, मेरे को फील कर रहा है. After that you will feel connected to it. Okay, I think I have answered your question.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm fully satisfied with
Okay,
the answer. Thank you so much.
thank you much. Any other question you have? So basically all these are query and all this answer I give based on my experience. I really don't want to maybe about my understanding that I observed more than 7 to 8 years in my life. I also observed, I worked on it sometime, and also basically after doing my B.Ed. M.Ed, I don't want to go for the PhD. That is a main topic I want to spend time here. I want to know all the ground realities that a different school have, and different kind of notion that is parents and also management. What is the all the thing the teachers are associated with? I want to feel connected with all this. I wanted to make all these things and wanted to make a good environment for me. That's all the that all the क्या बोल सकते, that all the perspective I have to follow current nowadays. I only follow that. So for that purpose reason I not going for the PhD currently. Whether I will not मैं नहीं बोलना चाहती कि नहीं करूंगी बाद में, मगर really wanted to know कि ये point different point क्या क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, and what are the other strategy we can use. So these all the things I really wanted to know more further. So that's why currently I'm here in the Keystone International School. Anything anyone wanted to say? Yeah.
Anybody else wanted to ask something? to ask some questions?
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shekhar. Yeah.
Ma'am, one question is what should I do if a student is struggling emotionally or mentally in class?
Hmm. So I already pointed out कि for that you have to talk with the student first. Just say कि today we are not going to start any new topic, or just if you are if you are struggling with any kind of mental problem or anything that is coming to your mind is not going up, is going not going or blow your mind. So just tell me about it. If you're not comfortable, go at the back and sit down there, sit for 2 minutes. And if you are going to if you wanted to say something to me, wanted to share anything you wanted to share with me, just come to me after 2 minutes, and we are going to give you I will give you the time. You can share with me. So this thing works. This thing works because
Thank
I already experienced one situation where students from the class 2, I think, Nainika Reddy, her name is. So she actually after before going to coming to school, she went to the swimming classes every day. Every day she went to the swimming classes. So after coming back to home, see, she had some kind of fight with her father actually. So that's why she is not feeling okay after coming to school also. And she is not talking with anybody. But I know that Nainika is not that particular type of girl going to say and sit and do all these things. वो बहुत बात करती है, बहुत ज़्यादा बात करती है. And that day she is really totally upset. She is not smiling. She really upset. So first question I go and ask with her, क्या हुआ है? If anything happened in your home, you wanted to share something. So 2 to 3 question I asked, but she didn't reply any of this. She silently sat down. Nothing happened. Just nodded his head. Nothing happened. Okay. I give her the time. I just told her कि after 2 to 3 minutes, just sit here, don't do anything, just sit here. If you are feel okay, if you want to share something, come to me, and then we will going to talk. Trust me, after 5 minutes she came and she told me she had a fight with her father because of she has a long hair. Her father don't allow her to tie up it, but her mother and she wanted to make it tie and make a beanie kind of thing. So she has a long hair, she wanted to come to school actually, spend the whole day 8 hours. So he doesn't want to बाल खुले रख के स्कूल में नहीं आना है. So for that she had a fight with the, actually not fight, but children will always say that she had a fight with her father. So trust me, after spending 2 to 3 minutes and while discussing all these things, and when I say and hug her, actually I told her कि that's why we also fight with our parents. It's okay, it sometime happen. Sometime fathers will not going to understand us. We also not going to understand as. We also not going to understand them also. What their point of view will sometime we're not going to understand. It's happened sometime. It's okay. You are also the students. I am also a student at my home also. So when I sharing and also I'm thinking as a children mind, trust me, everything will happen very smoothly. Everything resolved very smoothly. Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Shikhar.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Kashyap. Yeah.
Ma'am, my question is what method can help increase children's interest in
Yeah,
studies?
project-based
Is
learning
project-based
in the
learning is helpful?
Keystone. I really forget that we really approach the project-based knowledge here. So basically, project based, basically it's a PBL session where they have the particular, every they have two classes for the PBL. For that, in they have any kind of topic, they have to give any type of topic. Last day they did actually ki wearing the helmets, those who are construction workers, wearing the helmets is good for their proper it's properly structured or not. So helmet is very necessary for the construction workers, because sometimes it happened, it will protect their head or something. We only introduce this topic, this particular 2 to 3 lines to the students. Surprisingly, 1 to 2 students, they easily pointed out कि if they feel hot, what will happen then, ma'am? They also feeling hot now. We also feeling hot inside our classroom, but they are working outside the classroom. Outside there all this dust is there, air is there, and also the sun is very scorching there, so they also feel hot now. Ma'am, can't we do anything for their safety? That is also for the safety, and also we can also give them some kind of air, or any type of fan is there, or we can construct it. The project based learning is we are definitely we encourage the students to come up with some of the ideas that is not present, and it's not coming with our own mind only. The children only have this particular notion, and they have this particular beliefs that they can make the life very easier for that. So project based learning is very much helpful for the students, very much helpful. And also sometime we also in the keystone also encourage the students to write the reflection after reading the whole book. After reading a whole book, maybe it's 10, 10, 20, 30 pages. After reading the whole book, write down your reflections. Write down, close the books, write down your reflections. That will give you insights what you all have read in the particular book. Write it down there. And also trust me, it also help, and also going to give you new different types of vocabulary, that will give you enrich with different types of vocabulary. So some type of elements we also follow in the class, also
Ma'am,
follow
one
in the
more question.
school also.
Ma'am, one more question.
Yeah.
How do you handle the situation when a child show consistent disinterest in a subject?
So basically, talk to the child. Anything, talk to the child. Somewhere they also have to reply back as कि अच्छा नहीं लगता, पढ़ना ही अच्छा नहीं लगता, कोई चैप्टर का नहीं, पढ़ना ही अच्छा नहीं लगता, आई ओनली वांट टू प्ले. सो फॉर दैट हम लोग क्या करते हैं बेसिकली, told the child, don't do anything today, it's okay. I give you a color pencil, I give you a book, and whatever you want to do, you can do. In the book, you can scribble it, you can write it down. I have to do the same thing. I wanted to do the same thing. मुझे वही पढ़ना है. तो कुछ देर के बाद when they automatically feel bored, they automatically not getting any interested, they really go back to and mainstream in the class. They really wanted to go back to the class and want to spend time there with their friends. What their friends are doing, I also wanted to do the same thing, and easily it will succeed. I hope it's I can
Ma'am, may
give you
I
that answer.
may I ask one more, please?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
What strategies do you use to promote long-term retention of concept rather than rote learning?
it will help. It will help. Okay. I hope
Hello,
I
ma'am.
have already answered your question. Yeah. Yeah, Shekhar.
Ma'am, one more question, ma'am. If traditional teaching method are not working to certain student, मैम हाउ आप कैसे वो अल्टरनेट अप्रोच अपना सकते थे मैंने बच्चे लोगों को समझाने के लिए.
सो फॉर द मैंने बहुत पहले ही बोला है, ट्रेडिशनल टीचिंग मेथड को पहले से दिमाग से निकाल दो. Because you are a teacher, traditional methods we are not going to follow anymore. Because currently there is a change, a shift to our new strategic methods that is already coming up, and the new teachers is already starting with it. They already started with it. So first of all, traditional methods where we are going to learn, mostly हम लोग के टाइम क्या होता है, teachers is coming to our class and one by one sentences they trying to read out, and we have to sometime copy, sometime we are not going to copy. But now in the current situation, all these things is really eliminated. In the international schools is totally eliminated. Okay, we are not going to give them a rote learning की एक एक लाइन पढ़ के जा रहे हैं टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट्स सुन रहे हैं. We are already eliminated that. So for the first topic, when you are going to give them, today we are going to learn this topic. Now give me some insight. Start with the class, give me the insight. Because every topic is very familiar with their class. Just like a topic is family is there. Everyone know, even the class grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, their students, they already know what is the meaning of a family. They will easily tell you, I am coming from a joint family, I am coming from a segregated family. They will easily told you that. तो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड को, रोट मेमोराइजेशन को थोड़ा सा हटाओ, दिमाग से निकाल दो, क्योंकि अभी ये नहीं चल रहे हैं. और इनके हिसाब से यू हैव टू आस्क द स्टूडेंट और start the class with different types of SCL type of activity. You can start with the class, then you can try to tell them, today we are going to learn this topic. Now write it down if you have anything coming to your mind, or you can draw it. Then you can introduce your topic, just close your books, introduce the topic without seeing the textbook. Because we are going to give you an idea where the textbook culture is not, it will not work anymore. Here also CBSE board also, textbook culture is not going to work. ठीक है. टेक्स्ट बुक अभी थोड़ा सा वो, उसका थोड़ा सा चेंज शिफ्ट हो रहा है. अभी तुमको ऐसे ही करना है, इंटरैक्टिव सेशन बनाना है, और थोड़ा सा उसके कौन सा टॉपिक यू आर गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस टुडे, जस्ट गो थ्रू इट वंस and then give your insight to it. And all the topics is very similar, because we already did a masters, we already have a bachelor's, we already have an idea of this particular topic. So whatever you know, just told to them, it will work, it will work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
How
Thank
do
you
we
so much,
balance
ma'am,
the
and my
development
dear
of
students.
critical thinking skills?
We are lagging shortage of time, ma'am, and ma'am, you have answered so many questions, and really it was very much helpful for us. So, ma'am, we are binding it, and now I would like to call up Dr. Vandana, ma'am, to deliver vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all present here. Respected Chief Speaker, Ms. Anasuya Banerjee, Keynote International School, Hyderabad, Professor Dr. Shukla Mahanti, former Vice Chancellor, Kulhan University, Jharkhand, Mr. R.N. Mahanti, sir, Director, Institute for Education, Saraikela, and Principal of Institute for Education, Dr. Switi Sinha, esteemed faculty members, and dear students. I, Dr. Vandana Sharma, it is both an honor and a privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion, marking the successful culmination of our knowledge reproduction. At the outset, I extend my deepest gratitude to our esteemed guest, Ms. Ansuya Banerjee, for gracing this event with her inspiring presence. Your invaluable insights and thought thought-provoking discourse have truly elevated our understanding and enriched our perspectives. Your words have not only motivated us but have also instilled a renewed zeal to strive for excellence in our roles as educators. I extend my deepest thanks to the founder of the college, Dr. Shukla Mahanti, along with Director Sir of Institute for Education, Mr. R.N. Mahanti, for their full support in making the program successful. I also wish to express my heartfelt thanks to our visionary principal, Dr. Switi Sinha, whose steadfast support and exemplary leadership have been the driving force behind this program. Lastly, I thank all my faculty members and participants for their enthusiastic involvements and active engagement throughout the program. As we conclude this enriching experience, let us carry forward the knowledge we have gained, the importance of knowledge reproduction. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
मैम मैं कोरी था मैम एग्रेसिव मोड होके बच्चे को पढ़ाना मोर इफेक्टिव होता है कि फ्रेंडली बिहेव करके बच्चे को पढ़ाना
फ्रेंडली बिहेव ऑलवेज। एग्रेसिव मोड में अगर आप पढ़ाना स्टार्ट करोगे, समटाइम इट्स गोइंग टू डिजास्टर. सो when you feel some kind of कि हाइपर एक्टिव हो रहे हो और बच्चे नहीं सुन रहे, just sit for 2 minutes. कुछ मत बोलो, जो करना है करने दो. Usually they will get a sense कि मैम कुछ नहीं बोल रही है, now we have to quietly sit down. It happened in the school also. It's happened. But in the international school, we only have more than 20 students in the class, so it's easily manageable. But some type of in the CBSE school, it's not very manageable for the children. With sometimes you can take some kind of suggestions from the your teachers, mentor teachers is there, or any senior teacher is there. Just ask them ki what they are doing just to manage the whole class. You can take some insight from them. Okay.
And my last question:
Yeah.
No,
how do we balance the development on critical thinking skill and more value in students?
Basically start on all these approaches that I already talked to you about now. So all these things it will come. Not a generalized, we can say generalized things, but all this aspect will come in together. That is the only answer.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
And thank you all faculties of Institute for Education.
thank you, ma'am. The students have having so many queries and they are asking. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your precious time, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
कट कर देना